Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do 2 different exercises with this little mini band right here that's going to torch your hips. Our first exercise is the mini band side step, so let's throw that band around the ankle, feet shoulder width apart, toes straight forward, and then let's sit our butt back a little bit and a slight bend in the knees. From here, you're going to take and step with each foot 8 inches at a time. You're going to head down and then head back. Our second exercise is the mini band abduction. So from here, with the bands on the ankles, we're going to use a pole or a wall to help us keep ourselves straight up and down, completely vertical. From here, the outside leg, toe forward, abducting at the hip. Now there's a quick tutorial on how to work your hips with the mini bands. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or click here or here for the next video in the series.